Yo, welcome back again to Believers Records. In today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this amazing MIDI kit. It's a PARTYNEXTDOOR MIDI kit. So before I actually go on, if you're new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. So for this, I'll be using the contact turn up just to show you how this actually goes down. So I'm gonna play you the first depress. Iced out. Life in Paris. Sorry, this one I gotta set the BPM. It's on 100, so I made it on 100. I gotta set that for you. Just a minute. Yeah. Current dive shift. Gotta set the BPM back to 1,000. Party next door. Remember days, it's around 20 BPM. Gotta set the BPM, just give me a minute. Believers Radio, Believers Radio. Stories in the mist. So on 100. 111 BPM. I'm sorry for that. So yeah, man, you can just see for yourself. This is a crazy MIDI kit. You can just hear it's a crazy, you know, some crazy chords in there. You can actually make crazy sounds with it. So I'm gonna play you the loop, the percussion loop. Somehow down. I'm gonna play you the loop instrument. Town with Leroy. Believers Radio, Believers Radio. So man, you can just hear it, man. This is a crazy MIDI kit. Believers Radio. You gotta get this MIDI kit. But for this tutorial, man, I'm not gonna be making any beat with this. But the beat that you just heard in the intro, I made that beat using one of the midis. I think it was Iced Out. I think. So man, without no further ado, man, just let me just let you play around with this thing. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Enjoy the MIDI, and see you on the next one. And let's respect each other.